Yeah, we're back on the sea once again. Morning, my YouTube friend. That is a seafood man over there, setting up his rod. Yeah, look at that. Look at that lure. This is what we're going to use today. This is the Yo-Zuri 3D lure, and I am going to use it. Look at that one. That one is like the Yo-Zuri, you know, but that one is a Eagle Claw bait. Alright, still using the same rod. So we're heading out this morning, this Saturday morning, 28th of January 2017. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen later on. Nice morning, birds flying around. We're heading out. So catch you in the action. Yeah, we're just coming out of the pond here. Lots of birds out here now. Look at them. We call them the pelican, but in Jamaica here we call them Old Joe. Old Joe. That's what they call them out here. But it is a pelican bird. There they are, a lot of pelicans out here. Yeah, the rods are out now. That man said the bird doodle in him head. See the man brush out the doodle there, watch it. The bird, him said the bird doodle in him head. In him ear. Anyway, the rods are out now. Yeah. I hope we can hook up on something soon. See if we can have some fun, make some videos and make some money. And that's what the Jamaican anglers are about. Having fun and making money. Big up my friend Mr. Jasoja and Mr. Biggs. Big up yourself, alright? It's a real Jamaican thing. Fishing in Jamaica, yeah. So catch you when the action starts.
Captain, say something, Captain.
Oh, I hook up on something here, you know. Not the captain. I hook up on something here, boy. It's big, I don't know it's what.
Well, I can get the grab out there.
Hold the grab up there, yeah. Hold the grab in there.
See there? Yes, kasi if I can see him. Can't see him at all. What's that mountain snapper, man?
Well, if it's a mountain snapper, that would be good.
Go watch him. King is Jack.
Oh, is that Jack? So this one is a Jack. Right. Yeah, so this one is a Jack. See that? Give me a hard fight, but it didn't hook him in the mouth. So that's it.
Alright.
Yeah. Be the man on the rod here now.
What you feel like?
Oh, this one feels like a nice kingfish.
Oh, see, go back here. Kingfish that man. You can get off him?
Yeah, I'll try.
Monster! Monster man! Hold on.
Nice kingfish.
Come here before him.
Catch him.
When we go at him?
Yeah, man.
Damn. Keep over. Ah! Man! That's a big one! Whoa! That's a monster, man! Can I manage him?
Lock up the line.
The camera one there, the video man. Just hook up on a monster, you know?
Okay, don't play with me, no. This fish is playing around.
Watch it,
you know.
man.
What the hell is that? Watch it, watch it. Why you dancing?
I make a bloody mess, man. Can blow up a boat?
Yeah.
Knock him out, no, man.
See, not good. Really not good.
Knock him out, man, because, you know.
It's right behind you, not good.
Hold on, let go.
See there? I can't let him go because, trust me, this one is a big one.
That's right.
Okay.
Man, you ready now?
Yeah, so the seafood man finally hook up. Yeah, see him there now? Yeah, man, just hook up on this fish here. Almost spooled him a while ago. But I don't know what type of fish is this.
What
but
is this?
see him fighting out crazy there. Yeah, see him put the gaff right near him foot. But let us see now. Let us watch him.
See, they call him big kingfish.
Yeah.
Feel like.
Oh. So I wonder if you're going to come with the pump and wine thing again. I wonder. I just go and tell us I must pump and wine, pump and wine. But I don't want to do the wrong thing.
Jack, you wanna run already, right?
Quite likely, you know.
Jack, do you wanna run again?
Yeah, quite likely I'm gonna run again, yes. Maybe it's a big one, you know, though. We see it goes still. When him come up, we see what kind of fish is it. Because a while ago, my one run like crazy. I think it was a jack to what.
Kingfish is one, not
It's a jack.
one, not at all.
Alright. Bring him up and let us see him. Jack? Oh. Alright.
Kingfish.
Kingfish, whoa, what a nice.
Nice size.
It's a nice kingfish, that man. What?
Nice size, bigger than your one.
What? It's all them giants out here, man. Oh.
No, the bigger man, they want a big.
My God. Oh, yes. Come, Mr. Seafood Man, what you up to? 2-rod kid is only 1 rod now. Wow, that's a big one, man.
Wow, jiggy me no.
Big
Big
one.
man, big.
There you go.